Okay, so from your campaign, you click on new campaigns and you've got all these various options. If I were to click on the brand and brand awareness and reach, which is what we are trying to do, is to make our brand or take our brand in front of others. I go video, I've got 5 campaign types over here. If I were to select the product and brand and go here, only 3. So these campaign types gives a fair amount of confusion for a lot of people. If I were to choose the one without a goal guidance, I have all the options available. So if you are not sure and you can't find what campaign subtype you want over here, it's because you have selected one of these campaign types and it is not possible to use that. So what I would do is I would just go with the last option, which is campaign goal, create a campaign without the goals guidance, right? Now we have lots of options over here. Custom video campaign, non-skippable. So these are non-skippable as the name of these ads are, but they can only be up to 15 seconds long. Otherwise you will not be able to use that. So these are pretty good. Even 6-second ads really work wonderfully well. So outstream, reach people on the phones and tablets using VCPM. So V means view and CPM means cost per 1,000 impressions. Video ads do not work on cost per click or CPC as the traditional pay-per-click advertising. It is on CPV, cost per view, or CPM, cost per 1,000. So every time 1,000 people see your ads, Google Ads will charge you a certain amount of money. Then you can drive conversion.